Now in the next lecture, we'll study about the source if current source is present in the middle wall, right? Remember I told you in the last lecture if current source is present in the corner wall. Now if current source is present in the middle wall, okay? So that would be suppose 8 ohm, 10 ohm, 20 volt, 10 volt and 6 ampere. Now again we'll move it according to our steps as I told you. First step is to mark the current direction. This is current I1 and this is the current I2, right? Next step is to mark the sign convention, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Next step is to apply KVL, right? So you are standing at A position and you have to be back to A only. You are moving from A to B. If you'll go through this path, then you, as I told you, you can't go through the path where your enemy is present, right? Enemy is present, so you can't go through this path. You are moving from B to C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A, right? Clear? So again we have to take the second sign A to B minus 8 I1 minus 10 I2 minus 10 plus 20 is equal to 0. This is your equation 1. Okay? Any doubt up to here? Now next equation we need to make it from the current source if current source is present. As you can see that current source is in the middle wall and in the middle wall there is a flow of double current, right? We have to see basically which current is in the same direction and which current is in the opposite direction. If current is in the same direction, then the sign would be positive. If current is in the opposite direction, then sign would be negative. Clear? As you can see that I1 is moving down, 6 ampere is moving up. So both are moving in the opposite direction. So we'll consider minus I1. Now as you can see that 6 ampere is moving up, I2 is also moving up, right? Like this. So they are in the same direction, so plus 2 is equal to 6. This is your second equation. Okay? So two variables, two equation, you can simply solve it through the calculator. Understood?